Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical perspective. So let's begin. We are currently on an 1 hourly chart and the forecast would be for 1st and 2nd October. So as always we are on an 1 hourly chart, and here first giving an recap, we have drawn this particular descending channel and we were expecting, or we were more bullish for the market. We did see a breakthrough, the breakthrough this particular descending channel, and the market did retest, and we could, or as expected, we have accumulated our long position some around 1886 with our take profit of this particular resistance zone. Now coming on the trading opportunities, let me remove my drawings. Let me redraw the support and resistance. This would be the particular resistance from in a range of some around 1899 to 1900, and this would be the particular support zone from some around 1880 till some around 1882. Here what we can particularly analyze is that the market has been trading in sideways, going upwards, testing the resistance. Then we have seen some bearish momentum entering in the market, and then market did or retested this particular resistance zone, and then we did see a retest towards the support zone. Now we are particularly retesting this particular resistance zone. Now what we can see is that the market was making an M pattern till here, or the last move somewhere around 1882. However, we did see that the M pattern has been breakdown, or has been we have seen a breakout from an M pattern rather than downwards. We did see a higher high momentum. Thus any probability of market being bearish in a time tenure of 2 to 3 days a very less likely situation, as we did not see that the market did form this particular M pattern. Now coming on the fundamentals, we have seen the stimulus packages have been, or the hope for the stimulus packages has regained, and the Republicans have suggested to the Democrats to give stimulus packages worth $1.5 trillion, from which $10 billion would be applied to the airline industry. Thus, if the stimulus packages have passed by the Senate, due to which we can see a depreciation in the prices for the gold, and due to which in the depreciation in the prices for the dollar, due to which we can see a appreciation in the prices for the gold. And do watch the video to the till the end, as I would be giving signals of where we could trigger a long position. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, as 40% of the people viewing my video are subscribed, however 60% are in subscribe. So to motivate me, do consider subscribing. So now coming on the trading opportunity, let me remove my drawings. Now here what we can analyze is a support trend line. This would be the particular support trend line, and now what I am expecting a breakout from this particular resistance zone. This would be the particular support trend line, which has been made from some around 1883 till some around 1912. Now what we are expecting is a breakout above from this particular resistance zone. Thus, first explaining you the bearish scenario, where we should be bearish is only and only if we see that the market did close below this support trend line on an 4-hourly, on an 1-day chart. Then we can go for a short position. However, I would not give a signal for going short during this uncertain time, as the dollar can lose its value any moment and the gold can gain its value. Now coming on the bullish scenario, we can go for a long position right away or a retest towards this particular support zone, and our take profits would be placed some around near this particular resistance zone. Let me draw that too. So our take profits would be placed in a range of 1912 till some around 1916. Now why I have placed my take profit some around 1912 till in a range of 1916. Now going on to the past, what here we can particularly analyze is that the market on 21st September did retest towards this particular resistance zone, and we have observed a bearish momentum entering in the market. Then again market on 22 September did retest this towards this particular resistance zone, and we have observed a bearish momentum entering in the market, and the market has fallen some around 50 points, which is a huge movement in the gold. Now coming on the current situation, the first position to go long would be a retest towards this particular support zone with our stop losses just placed below the support trend line some around 1892, with our take profit of this first resistance zone of some around 1900. This trade will give an extra reward of approx. Let's extend our stop loss some around 1889, with our stop loss placed some around 1889, with our first take profit of 1900, with our entry trigger point of 1895. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:0.6. However, our second take profit would be of this particular resistance zone, which would be in a range of some around 1914 till 1916. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:3.19. Now coming on the another bullish scenario, we would only be bullish if we see a breakout upwards from this particular resistance zone. Let me highlight that. We see a breakout through this particular resistance zone, market closing above 1900, thus on an 4-hourly chart, that would be a great area to go long. We can either directly take in long or wait for a retest towards this particular resistance zone, turning into a support, with our stop loss just placed some around 1895, with our entry trigger point of 1900, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone, that will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.26. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.